Hello and welcome to another TPOS tutorial. In this video, I will demonstrate how to file for rental annual report. First, you need to log in with your correct user ID and password. Once logged into your account, select the filing obligation tile. Here, you'll see all different tax return types that you were registered for with FRCS. Now, select rental annual report for the period you want to file. Once loaded, you'll be navigated to the instructions page. Please read these instructions carefully before proceeding. Check the declaration box once you have read and understood. Then, click on Continue to proceed to the next section. Now the system will ask the question whether you're filing a nil return or not. If you select Yes, then the system will ask you to provide the reason for the nil return from the drop-down, and we'll move to the declaration section to submit the return. However, if you select No, then you need to click on Continue to Next Step to proceed to the rental annual report section. Now you need to provide the relevant details in this section. There are two options available. The first option is to enter data using the Excel template and import the filled Excel template back to TPOS. The second option is to enter details manually on the TPOS form. Let's go through the first option, that is using the Excel template. This option is useful if you have a large number of data where you can pull data from your accounting software and copy and paste it in the downloaded Excel template format. First step is to click the Download Template button and open the Excel template. Please note that the system will only recognize the downloaded Excel format. Now you need to enter the following data in the Excel: TIN of landlord, type of property either residential or commercial, address of rental for the property, gross rent, net rent. Once the above data is entered into the Excel template, save the Excel. Now click on Import File and select the filled Excel template. Once the data has been imported, you can see the late lodgement penalty section. Please note that for any late lodgement, there will be penalty of $1 per day. You can delete and edit any lines by clicking on the icon provided on the form. Now let's use the second option, where you can directly enter data in the TPOS form without using the Excel template. This option is suitable for those taxpayers that have a limited data to enter. Click on Add New button, and the system will open up a new line in which you can enter the data manually. You can add more lines by clicking the Add New button again. Now click on the arrow button to continue to the declaration section. For individual taxpayer, TIN for declarant will be automatically populated. However, for non-individual taxpayer, you have to provide the TIN of the person submitting the application. In order to submit the form, you will have to tick the declaration checkbox and click on Submit button to submit the rental annual report. After submitting the form, an acknowledgement page will be displayed with your reference number. You can also click and download the acknowledgement letter when the form is submitted and auto-processed. You will be notified via the correspondence tile on the main TPOS dashboard. We hope that you have been able to follow through. Thank you for watching, and please stay tuned for more tutorial videos. For more information or queries, please email info@frcs.org.fj.